Joomla, a comprehensive guide introduction in the realm of content management systems. Joomla stands out as a robust, open-source platform designed for creating and managing websites. Known for its flexibility and versatility, Joomla is widely used across various industries, catering to individuals, small businesses, and large enterprises alike. This guide delves into the ins and outs of Joomla, providing a thorough understanding of its features, installation, and use cases. History of Joomla. Joomla's journey began in 2005 when it emerged as a fork of Mambo, developed by a team led by Andrew Eddy. Joomla quickly gained popularity due to its open-source nature and community-driven development. Over the years, Joomla has evolved through numerous updates, enhancing its capabilities and solidifying its position as a leading CMS. Key features of Joomla. Joomla's allure lies in its extensive feature set. Extensibility. With a vast array of extensions, Joomla can be tailored to meet specific needs, from e-commerce to social networking. Scalability. Whether you're launching a blog or a corporate portal, Joomla's architecture scales seamlessly. Security. Robust security features protect against vulnerabilities, ensuring your site remains secure. User management. A hierarchical system allows fine-tuned control over user permissions and access. SEO optimization. Built-in tools enhance your site's visibility on search engines. Mobile responsiveness. Joomla's templates are designed to adapt to various devices, ensuring a consistent user experience. Installation and setup. Getting started with Joomla is straightforward. System requirements. Ensure your hosting environment meets the necessary specifications. Download and installation. Obtain the latest version from, upload it to your server, and follow the web installer's prompts. Initial configuration. Post-installation, configure global settings, create content, and select a template to define your site's look and feel. Exploring extensions and templates. Extensions and templates are pivotal in enhancing Joomla's functionality and aesthetics. Extensions. These include plugins, modules, and components. Examples like Virtuemart and JCE Editor illustrate their versatility. Templates. Beyond basic themes, Joomla templates offer complex layouts and responsive designs, allowing for extensive customization. Security best practices. Protecting your Joomla site involves regular software updates, strong password policies, routine backups, utilizing security extensions, adjusting file permissions, and mitigating SQL injection. XSS risks. Advanced features. Joomla's advanced features include access control lists, granular user permissions for precise access management, custom fields. Expand content creation with additional fields for articles and user profiles. Multi-language support. Cater to global audiences with built-in translation capabilities. SEO tools. Optimize meta tags, URLs, and content for improved search engine rankings. Community and support. Joomla thrives on community support. An extensive forum and comprehensive documentation provide invaluable resources. Events like Joomla Day foster networking and knowledge sharing among enthusiasts. Case studies. Joomla's versatility is evident across industries. E-commerce. Sites leveraging Virtuemart for online stores. Non-profit organizations using Joomla for donation management and member databases. Education. Institutions employing it for course management and student interaction. Conclusion. Joomla's power lies in its adaptability and extensive community support, making it a top choice for diverse web projects. Whether you're a novice or an expert, Joomla offers the tools to create a dynamic, secure, and visually appealing website. Additional resources. Official website, extensions directory, documentation, books, and courses. Explore resources on Pact Publishing and Udemy for deeper learning. With this guide, you're equipped to harness Joomla's potential, transforming your web development journey.